Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use offset in AutoCAD. To use offset in AutoCAD, what you have to do is you have to type O. As you can see here, I have typed O here. The shortcut is O. So here you can see offset is popped up. Just press space or enter. Here it is saying me offset, specify offset distance or through erase layer like this. So I'll specify the distance. I'll type in my case 18 inch offset which I want for the fire setback. Just press space. Here you can see now it is saying like specify the point of the side to offset. So I'll drag here, as you can see here like this, here like this, here like this, like this. So you can see here, if I trim this a little bit, I'll delete this. As you can see here, the offset, what it does is it offsets the distance for the fire setback. And if I measure dimension here like this, it is showing me 18 inch. So you can see how the offset works in the AutoCAD. It is a very necessary tool while working in drawings. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.